Earth's history, fossil records show us that living things have been wiped out over much of this planet in great numbers. There have been 5 previous mass extinctions. Our scientists have identified likely causes of these global extinctions, including the impact of a comet or asteroid, or catastrophic climate changes such as ice ages. Even without catastrophic events, our scientists say that species go extinct at a regular rate, while new ones come into being. Before humans influenced the environment in any major way, extinction proceeded at the rate of between 1 and 10 extinctions per million species. If we estimate that 10 million species are alive today, we could expect to see between 1 and 10 species go extinct each year from all forms of life, both visible and microscopic. But that is not what is happening now. During the past century, extinction rates have ranged from about 100 to 1,000 species per year. This is from 100 to 1,000 times faster than the normal background extinction rate found in fossil records. The Earth has entered the 6th Great Extinction. In fact, we humans are causing the 6th Great Mass Extinction of species on Earth. How are we doing this?
We have caused massive habitat destruction through our own population growth, our buildings and roads, through deforestation, agriculture, and more. Brown bear, farewell. Goodbye, Florida panther.
We have exploited species through overhunting, overfishing, overtrapping, and poaching. Goodbye, humpback whale, monk seal, Galapagos penguin. Farewell, blue whale, sockeye salmon. Goodbye, rhinoceros. Goodbye, Asian elephant.
We have introduced non-native species that have overtaken and wiped out native species of plants and animals. Goodbye, reed warbler. Goodbye, Wyoming toad.
We have polluted the soil, air, water, and caused climate changes that, besides reducing habitat, have played havoc with species' natural rhythms. Polar bear, goodbye. Goodbye, swallowtail butterfly. Will we be saying goodbye to our sweet honeybee soon, too?
In 1992, about 1,700 of the world's leading scientists, including Nobel laureates, had this to say about the situation.
Human beings and the natural world are on a collision course.
Human activities inflict harsh and often irreversible damage on the environment and on critical resources.
If not checked, many of our current practices put at serious risk the future we wish for human society and the plant and animal kingdoms, and may so alter the living world that it will be unable to sustain life in the manner that we know.
Fundamental changes are urgent if we are to avoid the collision our present course will bring about.
These scientists went on to issue a warning to all of us. Warning! Warning!
Warning! Warning!
Warning!
Warning!
We, the undersigned senior members of the world scientific community, hereby warn all humanity of what lies ahead. A great change in our stewardship of the earth and the life on it is required if vast human misery is to be avoided and our global home on this planet is not to be irretrievably mutilated.
We mourn the loss of species, our fellow inhabitants on this planet,
our mutual home.
Harvard biologist Edward O. Wilson estimates that now some 30,000 species go extinct every year. That's about 3 species every hour of every day. Some scientists think it's happening even faster than that. Peter H. Raven, former president of the American Association for the Advancement of Science, says this: "We are predicting the extinction of about 2/3 of all bird, mammal, butterfly, and plant species by the end of the next century based on current trends." We
mourn the loss of species, our fellow inhabitants on this planet, our mutual home.
According to over 10,000 scientists in the World Conservation Union,
51% of known reptiles, 52% of known insects, and 73% of known flowering plants are in danger, along with many mammals, birds, and amphibians.
It is likely that some species will become extinct before they are even discovered, before any medicinal use or other important features can be assessed.
This means that our children's children may never experience plants and animals that we know.
They may never touch an elephant, hear a frog, watch a butterfly, or smell flowers that we are now take for granted.
They may never eat wild rice or wild blackberries.
They may only be able to see a rainforest or a glacier in photographs.
We mourn the loss of species, our brothers and sisters, our fellow inhabitants on this planet, our mutual home.